Real Property Talk by Edwin Bicedo.
Buwis ay pasiklahin, kaunlaran ay tatamasahin. Ang buwis na masisingil sa real property owners ay 2% base sa total assessed value. Ito ay nababahagi sa 1% para sa pinakabuwis o basic tax at 1% para sa special educational fund para sa ating mga public schools. 20% discount for advance payment and 10% discount for prompt payment. Ang mga schedule po ng ating pagbabayad ng buwis, first quarter on or before January 1 to March 31, second quarter on or before April 1 to June 30, third quarter on or before July 1 to September 30, and fourth quarter on or before October 1 to December 31. Avoid penalty. Pay your real property tax now.
Okay na ba? Okay na. Yan po, si Edwin Bicedo, nag-uulat. Yan po, kasama aming camera lightman. And your director. Ayan pa ang mga membership.